Another day, another video. Today on the table we have the sound you're looking for is hidden deep down in the processing chain. What you mean by that, bro? What I mean by that is that the sound that you're looking for, or the sound that's going to work for the drop or any other section, the sound that will be interesting and unique and have a certain immersive feel and personality, you cannot find it usually at the beginning of the chain. You can find it, and if you trust that you can find it, you keep going, and at some point it will just pop up like that. But it is hidden down the processing chain, and you will discover it. Like, it's gonna click at some point. I'm gonna show you that today. You may also have like an intro, verse, drop, and nothing else, and you may be like, I don't know what to put here. I don't have any idea. I don't have any cool sounds here. All of these producers are making these cool sounds and cool drops that are so immersive and interesting and feel like an adventure or story, but I just don't have that, so I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know what to put there. So the solution is simple, though it requires a lot of patience, and mainly patience and skill as well, of processing, and luck to get there, and openness, because you never know what you're gonna get. So you should be open to receiving whatever the effect chain is going to deliver to you, and you may not always like it, but here's where the patience comes in. You gotta keep going and you gotta keep processing. If one thing doesn't work, just push away and just pick another one, start another chain, process another sound, and you will make something cool, possibly, and that thing could be a part of the drop. If I were to go and find that cool sound and then I'm gonna be using in the song, I need to start processing something, start sound designing something, and I need a starting point, and starting point can be goddamn anything. And I was thinking about picking even a white noise to show you that it does not matter what starting point you use, bro. It can totally be white noise. You may be thinking like, well, how can you use a white noise and how can you turn it into something cool? There's no way that a cool sound waits for me after using white noise as initial sound for processing. That's just crazy. Well, let's find out. I don't have any expectations. All I have is some ideas of what effects to put, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. And I put some formants because that adds tonality. And then I'm gonna add spectral time because it adds that nice lasery thing. But before I add the lasery thing, I should probably add some volume automation. Make that big because I really enjoy big. Slow it down. Add spectral time. You have these sharp beginnings. We add 2 for extra liquidness. We need some lows and we don't have them. Do this, put shifter on it, put an EQ here. Shift those frequencies real low, but group that stuff, add another chain. We have these lows here that now are available in the main sound. That what I can do is I can boost them, and now I'm having a sub right now. That's D sharp, tune it into D sharp. You can't hear it yet. Go into shifter. Okay, go also D sharp 2. What the hell? That's fine. Put utility here. Make this mono. Here we go. Duplicate this chain. Add some of those frequencies. So add also a C sharp here as well. I mean C. Now we have a fuller sound with sub. And if we have sub, then that means we can distort it and make it super crunchy. But if we're making it super crunchy, it means we should have something on top. Add that on C, the higher one as well. Now we have some more tonality. We don't have much of the dynamics, right? So now we can add spiff delta. So you may be adding effects and you may be not necessarily liking the outcome. That's fine. It's not for you to like anything. It's for you to be like, okay, I'm getting this effect. That's how it's supposed to go. I'm gonna trust it. At some point, it's gonna click. Keep adding effects. Don't have any expectations whatsoever. Just let it go in any direction that it's going and trust that you will receive goodies at the end. Not a spectral time. Soothe. Now we're gonna do something crazy. We're gonna morph it. We need to make an effect chain here. Duplicate it, call it X. Without the spiff, mute it. We've got this and we're gonna morph this from this track, but we're gonna target the X post FX on the rack. Here you go. Put some chroma on this. And if we have this, we can then add any effect right here and it's gonna light years. And we're morphing this sound with that. Pretty cool. Add some OTT. Go like this. I'm feeling like adding some resonators here, right here. Oh, reverb. Oh. Oh. Now we have the possibility to go into Infiltrator and randomize. Mix this. Considering a loop, some kind of drop situation. For now, finding some stuff in Infiltrator still. Saving all the cool ones. That's definitely some pre-drop type of situation here. Pitch, shifter, my G, give me -12. Here? Oh wait, not -12. Ooh. Pitch automation's real good stuff. Copy that motherfucker here. Always adding so much movement. Ooh, hell yeah. Ooh. See? Like, here's the deal. When I was adding this automation here, I had no idea what it was gonna sound like. I added it, check it, test it, and be like, that's cool, that's not cool, you know? See? See, I know we are using one track, but I just can't stop and can't not put an ARP here. Okay, make something crazy here. See, I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but what's gonna sound like if I do this. Oh, a switch up is gonna go super crazy, bro. Onto the B mode. Oh, you're such a B, bro. And now replace the white noise. Okay, so I would say that's one of the sounds that could be exported. But now I would just go and duplicate it. This is just for the backup. We have this rack that we can go and replace things. Remove this, don't need that anymore. Oh. Oh, we are still using this. I forgot. Okay, my question is, my G, do I even need to do this? Or can I... Okay, so this is just running the signal through, and this is just for the processing. Ooh. Bruh. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so here it is. The sound we are ending up with after so many effects. Like you have Infiltrator here that adds like 6-7 effects. You have another one that adds a few. I have this whole chain with morphing and some extra effects on the group here that I'm gonna actually move here and ungroup. So what we are getting is this. As the initial thing. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. As you saw, we had a few of the moments when we've been just trying things out in processing, and at some point like it clicked, and at the end we ended up with this cool sound that's very unique, has a really good personality, very immersive and powerful, and it has that, you know, vocally sound to it, and you can just put it in some sort of drop or something. I'm gonna put it into the packet thing for you to use. Definitely gonna use this rack, of course, save it for further usages and just run different sounds through it. Speaking of packs, you may be like, where are you posting those packs? Because I like the sound and I would like to get something like that because it's really inspiring. If you want to know, then I'm gonna tell you. It is a certain website. I don't know if I should tell you because it's such good sounds that maybe I should keep it to myself. Nonetheless, I'm gonna be a good guy. I'm gonna tell you. It is Oversampled. .us. This video has been brought to you by Oversampled.us, premium sample and preset packs. Sound selection is very important, and we always aim at creating the highest quality sounds possible to help you make professional songs in as easy as drag and drop way with no extra processing needed. We're offering sounds in many different genres. Our most loved packs are the Ultimate Future Bass Toolkit, Cyberpack, Polychrome, and Super Heavy Drums. If you want to sound like your favorite artists, we have packs like Volcano, Castles, Portify, and Resurrection. And if you're in need of quality drums for your songs, don't look any further than our Super Heavy collection with over 2,800 samples in total if purchased in a bundle that will cover all your drum needs. Our most recent pack is sound enhancers, including lots of ear candies, fillers, layers, and more, all to make your songs more interesting. Visit Oversampled.us and get sounds that'll make you a better producer.